All right, the long-awaited turbo swap is commencing now, or is happening now. I finally have all the parts. This was the last part that I was waiting for. Is these crush washers. Got the hot pipe, turbo unit itself, gasket, and then this is a Sonata high pressure fuel pump. That's technically an upgrade. But the only thing I did was take the engine cover off and soak the downpipe studs with the PB blaster. So yeah, we're finally doing the turbo swap, and we'll be making right around like 340 wheel horsepower after this. Well, after it gets broken in and then tuned.
Cross, you're crazy.
right, we got the downpipe out. It is one piece because I believe this is ft-lbs downpipe, and this is where we're at. Lots of space down there. The hot side of the intercooler is still attached, so I had to take that off. It took me like 2 hours to get this thing out because it's one whole piece instead of it being cut like right here, or like a flange bolted together. So it'd be easier if it was 2 pieces, but it's one whole big one. So yep, that's where we're at. And still have to put the turbo in. All right, today is the next day. All we have to do is take off the wastegate and then the bolts. I took out the hot pipe already, and then yeah, so just need to take off the wastegate and then the exhaust manifold, and then swap in the new unit over there. We got the turbo out of the car, and as you can see, the Veloster end turbo, the exhaust housing is like way smaller. This is just the OEM upgrade too. Like this is like side by side, and you can just see like the difference between the two. This is the launcher end turbo, and this is the Veloster end turbo. You do have to swap these over, and that's the only thing I did. And then put the new gasket on, and then just put that cover back in because kind of made a mistake at a Hyundai. So I thought all of these washers, these are just for the oil ones. So this is the oil banjo bolt, and it fits only this one. But if I try with the coolant ones, they don't fit. So yeah, I have to go to Hyundai tomorrow and pick those up. But yep, I just need to drop the new turbo in. This is the old gasket. I was just seeing where the studs went. And yeah, we'll be pretty close to done. All right, EN turbo is installed. Well, I still have to torque down the nuts and stuff, but it's in there. It was nice fit, I would say. Just gotta put back everything, go to Hyundai tomorrow and get these washers, unless I reuse them, which I probably won't. But it's tempting because I want to start this car in the morning because I know I can finish it. But yeah, there it is. The EN turbo is in. Just gotta clean up, put everything back, put all the gaskets in, the new hot pipe, and then fix well, not fix, but put back the exhaust and downpipe over there. But I am getting N75's downpipe. So instead of, I believe this is a PLM downpipe, which is one piece, which is super hard to get out of the car. But with the N75, I think it like ends right here, and then you can use the factory flex pipe or an aftermarket one. I bought an aftermarket one, but I don't know if it's gonna be here, so I'll probably just put this back in the car and then have to take it out again. But I'll definitely, when I do install it, I'll do a before and after like sound test of the whole thing. But yeah, that's where we're at. Just have to put back accessories and stuff, and we'll be good to go in the morning. So we got the downpipe in, the coolant hot pipe is also in. That is a Kona N hot pipe, I believe, for the conversion. And yeah, these are N75 Motorsports' titanium studs for the turbo, or downpipe I should say. And yeah, they look pretty nice. Nice finish to them. And yeah, so I just got back from Hyundai, and this is the part number for the coolant banjo bolts. And yeah, so we just need to install those. This is the Sonata high pressure fuel pump, valve cover gasket, and then valve cover, and then put everything back. Then we'll be ready for a first start. Well, unfortunate news. The banjo bolt broke. Bro. This is apparently the wrong bolt. This is the Veloster ends eye bolt, or banjo bolt eye bolt, whatever, oil feed bolt. And then this is a Elantra N turbo. So the bolts don't mix together, but it was threading. And then I tried torquing it to 15, but it just kept spinning, and I knew then I probably should have stopped, but then it just snapped. But at least all the threads came out, so I'm thankful for that. And I don't have to take out take out this if this was stuck in the turbo. But yeah, unfortunate news. The car will be down for another 6 or about a week, I guess. But that really sucks, because I probably could have gotten the first start today, because it's just the valve cover, high pressure fuel pump, and then the wastegate, and then it's pretty much all the accessories put back. But yeah, this really sucks, but it's part of the process. You live and you learn. Probably should have stopped after it was spinning a couple revolutions. But yeah, unfortunate. This will probably it's just a bummer. Like, frick, man, why did it have to break? But yeah, well, it looks nice, at least, but it's gonna be up here for another week, and it kind of sucks because I have work the next week, so I need to actually get this car running. But I do have the black car outside, but it just sucks because I wanted to drive this one and break in the turbo. But yeah, it's probably gonna be the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll get it running in a week from now. Very unfortunate circumstances that have come across me. But yeah, peace.